Hi everyone, this is Sean here again with a fun activity that you can do while you are at home and that is perfect for the warm weather. We are going to go ahead and make our own ice cream, which is shockingly easy to do. You really, to make vanilla, only need three things. We just need 1 cup of heavy cream. We need 1.5 tablespoons of granulated sugar and 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. We're going to take our ingredients and pour them into a stand mixer. And then we want to run that on the high setting until we get some stiff peaks forming. Okay, I'm going to say that looks about right. You can go ahead and test it with the knife. Yeah, you can see how it sort of stays upright like that. So that means it is good to go. So now we just take the cream, get it into a container that should be roughly a pint in size. Don't be surprised if you have a little bit more ice cream than what fits in here. And now once you've done that and got it into a container, you're just going to take it over to the freezer, pop it in, and leave it in there for 3 hours. After it's been in the freezer for 3 hours, you can go ahead, take it out, serve, and eat. And if you would like something more interesting than vanilla, you can experiment with adding different flavors or toppings into there. We begin with the same base recipe, although possibly adjusting the vanilla downward or the sugar downward just a little bit, since the flavorings can add additional sweetness. Some good options can be chocolate syrup, M&Ms, chocolate baking pieces, butterscotch chips, or something like strawberry preserves. When you add a flavor, you're going to mix it up the same way as we did the previous one at first, and then add the flavoring at the end. And at that point, you're probably going to want to whisk it by hand, as the stand mixer doesn't always get everything fully swirled through there at this low of a quantity. Do be prepared when you add the flavors that it can go over a pint a little bit more. And also, if you're not sure how much of any certain flavor to add into it, just go ahead and experiment with a little bit at first and give it a taste, and then see if you need to add more from there. Okay, have fun and enjoy your ice cream.